Hello, I'm Rachel Rose, welcome to my video. Today I'm unboxing Witchcraft Emporium's November subscription box. Okay. So, oh, it smells lovely. Right, here's the list of bits that are in there, and I'm not going to look because I want it to be a surprise. Okay, oh, they always have these. Okay, ooh. Chakra necklace. Not that keen on this. The flower of life symbol, which is quite nice, but this really isn't me. Yeah, someone else can have that. And oh, that's quite cute. Are they little stickers? Or maybe they're transfers? Some stags, fawn, cats and rabbits. I do like that. That's cute. Okay, what have we got here? Oh, arcane lore. It looks like a little oil, or maybe it's some kind of perfume. How exciting. I'm not very good at opening these. Come on. I can't open it. Oh, I bet I'll get it everywhere. Just slowly opening. Oh, here we go. Whew. Wow. That's really strong. Smells a bit like eucalyptus, but there's maybe valerian in there. I don't know. Wow, interesting. Looks a bit too thin to be oil, actually. So I think that is like a perfume. Maybe it's alcohol based. Wow, cool. Okay. Candles. Ooh. So white, yellow, and this amazing green. Cool. And yarrow. Awesome. Got quite a lot of yarrow now. Smells beautiful. See the little flowers in there. Fab. Oh, crystal red jasper. Lovely. Nice big piece. Fabulous. And oh, another necklace with I think that's rose quartz. So weird, those spiral things. Woo woo. On a nice cord, and the size can be adjusted. Cool. What is this? Oh, that's a cute little pouch. Oh, for Rachel. That's so cute. Oh, look at that. Oh, once again, thank you for your lovely YouTube video, Witchcraft Emporium. That's so sweet. Oh, that's really cute as well. Oh, that's really nice. Fabulous. King Solomon's Wisdom Powder. Oh, interesting. I love squidging the powder. I've got a Key of Solomon book somewhere. Yeah, this is very ceremonial magic, which I haven't really dabbled much in because it takes a lot of preparation and you need all the right ingredients. But I'm sure you can make an unabridged version of the rituals. Yeah, I really love the powder. Squidgy, squidgy. Fab. And oil. Wishes. Oh, that's nice. Okay. That smells like mint. Cool. I think mint is very useful for giving oils and incenses a kind of boost. So yeah, cool. And crown chakra. Oh, I think I can see little lavender flowers in there. It smells really nice. Awesome. Oh, a little badge. Oh, it's a magician. The Eternity. I think this is from the Raider White Tarot deck. The Magician, maybe. I'm not sure. Cool. And a little pouch. And what else? Astral Plane incense. Oh, interesting. Oh, that smells, yeah, I'm not quite sure what's in that. Nice and chunky. The smell reminds me of a shop in Glastonbury that I love called Star Child. It sells lots of herbs, incense and candles. Okay, and ylang ylang incense cones. Smells nice. I really love how I'm getting lots of incense cones because I haven't used incense cones for years and years, since I was a kid, I think. And it's quite nice using them instead of sticks. And we've got a little sticker. Moonchild. Oh, that's cute. Cool. So, got a sticky and 3 candles, spell candles or chime candles, I've heard them called. Some yarrow. A magician badge. That's really cool. Some ylang ylang incense cones. King Solomon's Wisdom Powder. Interesting. Yeah. And crown chakra herbs. Astral Plane incense. Would be interesting to work with. A little red jasper. Just cute little stickies or transfers. I think that's rose quartz, I'm pretty sure it is. Necklace. Chakra necklace. Tasseled. Arcane Lore perfume. Wishes oil. And that cute little note they sent me. And Nice little baggie. I'll just have a look at the list because I want to know more about that. So herb of the month, yarrow, crystal, red jasper. Oh yes, the magician. It's the badge. Oh, I didn't have any charcoal tablets, but that's fine. I've got loads. I've got plenty of them. Oh yes, it is perfume. Yes. Cool. Yeah. So maybe that was just a little bonus item. I can't see that on there. That's very sweet of them. Yeah, I think that that's a rose quartz, and these are quite cool because you can open them and put different things in there. Yeah, awesome. Thank you, Witchcraft Emporium, and thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Yes, you can follow me on Instagram. I'm rachelrose.drusidruid. Although I mostly just put photos of trees and plants, so might not interest you. I should probably make it more interesting. But yeah, thank you and bye bye.